A day at the beach. A day at the beach is one of life's most simple yet enjoyable pleasures. The feeling of sand between your toes, the sound of waves crashing against the shore, and the smell of salt in the air can instantly transport you to a place of peace and relaxation. Whether you're looking for a spot to read a book or just want to enjoy some quality time with friends and family, is always a great way to spend your time. With plenty of activities available, from swimming and sunbathing to beach volleyball and building sandcastles, there's something for everyone to enjoy on a sunny day at the beach. CO Magnifier text-to-speech converter.